The objectives of the dam constructions are for generation of electricity, generation of hydropower energy, for irrigation facilities, for providing irrigation facility, for selecting the type of irrigation or irrigation method, which is for farming or cultivation, and for domestic consumption, for drinking purpose, or for the supply of water to industrial uses. And in case of droughts also, uh, for fighting the droughts, also these dams are constructed and to control the flood levels in the river. For this purpose, dams are constructed, and for navigation facilities, and also for recreation facilities, the dams are constructed. These are the objectives that we have seen. The history of dam studied. Then Ashe Dam is Bakra Dam. Longest dam is Hirakud Dam. From the table, uh, we have seen which is the longest dam and which is the highest dam in India. The next is types of dams. The dams are classified on the basis of design of construction of the dam, design of the dam, material used for the construction of the dam, and size of construction of the dam. These are the various classification of the dams depending upon its design, material use, and size of construction. This is a classification of the dam based on design, material use, and size of the construction. So what are the types according to the statical design of the dam body? In the structural design of the dam, statical design of the dam body. They are classified as gravity dams, arch dams, buttress dams, embankment dams, or it is called earthen dam, and composite dams. These are the 5 types according to the design of the dam structure. कुठले gravity dam, arch dam, buttress dam, embankment dam or earthen dam, and composite dams. So each dam we will see separately. There is a separate unit is there in the unit 2 for gravity dam and arch dam. Then earthen dam is third unit 3, and fourth unit is spillway. So in the second unit, gravity dam and arch dam is covered, and in third unit, embankment dam or earthen dam is covered. These are the major dams according to the statical design or structural design of the dam structure. Gravity dams, arch dam, buttress dams, embankment dams, and composite dams. These are the various images of types of the dams. The name is shown here. The first type is gravity dam. So by the name, due to gravity principles, this dam is constructed across a river, gravity dam. So this is a gravity dam that is shown in this image. Then embankment or earthen dam is shown in this right image. This is earthen dam, which is consisted of earth. Gravity dam may be consisted of concrete or masonry. This is a buttress dam. Buttresses are prodded along the length of the dam. This is a buttress dam. This is arch dam. The shape of the dam in the shape of arch type. So it is called arch type dam. See, the shape of the dam is arc. The arch dam. Therefore, the name given to this dam is arch dam. These are the major dams according to its design of the dam body. These are the various images of type of the dams: gravity dam, then embankment or earth dam, buttress dam, and arch dam. That is shown in these images. Some of the types of dam. Any problem in this? According to the design of dam body, the dams are classified as gravity dams, arch dam, buttress dams, embankment dams, and composite dams. So each dam we will see in detail. First is gravity dams. Gravity dams uh, is having a triangular shape, and the shear weight of their rock and concrete structure. They may be of masonry structure, concrete, or it may be of masonry structure, which holds the water in the reservoir on upstream side. So see the image. This is the upstream side of the reservoir. This portion is inclined, triangular shape. Uh, Downstream side is vertical. Upstream side is inclined. This is top level. The water which is stored on upstream side, so due to gravity, it will obstruct the water. It will act as a barrier or solid obstruction, which is made up of rock and concrete structure. Due to its own weight, it will obstruct the water on upstream side of the reservoir or dam. It will hold back a water, which hold back the water in the reservoir on upstream side. So this type of dam is called gravity dam. Which is triangular shape on upstream side. Downstream face is vertical. With its own weight, it will obstruct the water. This is a concrete structure. It is a solid barrier constructed across a river valley for various purposes, like that we have seen, like for generation of electricity, for irrigation purpose, to use proper irrigation method, for flood control, then uh, for navigation purpose, for recreation purpose, hmm, for to fight against droughts. Then there are various objectives for supply of the water to a particular town, for domestic consumption purpose, and for industrial use. The water is supplied to a particular town or city. This is a gravity dam that is shown in this image. This is the image. It's the actual image of this gravity dam. This is a gravity dam. Is there triangular shape on upstream side? Will store the water. Will obstruct the water on upstream side. So the gravity dam. Any problem in this? The first type, the major dam, gravity dam. Due to its own weight, it will obstruct the water. It will consist of rock and concrete. It will be of rock and concrete structure. The next type is arch dam. Arch dam utilize the strength of the arch. The arch action is there. Strength of the arch is used to obstruct the water. See the image. The upstream area, upstream side of the this dam. This is the downstream side. This upstream face is arc type. So due to it utilizes the strength of the arch to displace the load of water behind it to rock walls that is built into. So which is constructed of masonry structure or constructed of concrete structure, which uh, holds the water. It utilizes the arch, strength of the arch. The shape of the dam is like arc type, arch type. See the arc shape. This is like a arc of a circle. So these are the abutments. This is the upstream phase, downstream phase of the arch dam. So the arch dam, it is in the shape of arch. Then buttress dams. In this buttress dam, the multiple reinforced columns are provided to support the dam, to support the uh, vertical face or to maintain the verticality, to support the dam. The In this image, the upstream face, the water is stored on upstream side. The walls are reinforced columns are provided on downstream face. That will hold the water. It will resist. What will hold the dam on downstream face. The columns are just provided here. See the image. These are the various buttresses that they are called buttresses. Therefore, the name given to this dam is buttress dam. These multiple reinforced columns are provided on the downstream face of the dam structure to hold the water on upstream side. So, you know, according to function or depending upon the methods or objectives for which the dam is constructed, these types of dams are constructed. Maybe of arch type, arch dam, buttress dam, gravity dam, or earthen dam. So because of this, these dams often use half as much as the concrete as gravity dam. So in this reinforced columns which are supported on downstream face, so which is half of the gravity dam, which, which often use half as much as concrete. In gravity dam, the dam is constructed of concrete or masonry structure. In this, uh, columns are provided, reinforced columns are provided to support the dam structure. The next type is embankment dam or earth dam, earthen dam. So this is the image of earthen dam. I will show you this image. See the image, which is completely or mostly composed of natural materials. Natural materials are used for this construction of these dams, like clay, sand, gravel, silt, which are mixed together and they are compacted. They may be constructed of this trapezoidal shape, mostly composed of natural materials are used, which are naturally available, like sand, gravel, aggregates, clay, silt, etc. So they are composed together, so which are compacted together to form a embankment or earthen dam. त्यामध्ये काय यूज केले ओनली अर्थ सॉइल इज यूज्ड. तर जसं आपण ग्रॅव्हिटी डॅम मध्ये आपण काय यूज करतो कॉन्क्रीट or to construct of gravity dam is constructed of concrete or masonry structure, but earthen dams are constructed of only using natural materials like soil, like clay, silt, sand, aggregates, gravel, etc. These are composed or compacted together to form a dam structure. In this impervious core of the dam is provided, which is of impervious uh, core to obstruct water to avoid the seepage of the water through dam. Impervious core is placed in the middle of the embankment dam or body of the earthen dam to control the seepage to the dam. Then riprap is provided to control the erosion on upstream side. So the continuous wave action is created on upstream side due to flow of river. To control the erosion of the upstream side of the dam, the riprap, which is of stones or brick beds or rubble, may be provided that are called riprap. which control the erosion of the dam, which obstruct the wave action of the river. Similar embankment dam, the difference between gravity dam, then earthen dam or embankment dam, buttress dam and arch dam. The kind difference, gravity dams which are constructed of concrete or masonry structure, which is having triangular shape on opposite side, downstream face is vertical. Due to its own weight, it will resist the obstructing water. Then arch dam is, which is utilizes the strength of the arch in arch shape. These dams are constructed. Then buttress dams in which reinforced columns are which are used to support the dams. And in earthen dam, which are mostly in which mostly the natural materials are used like clay, sand, gravel, aggregates, etc. Soil, which are compacted together. The difference between these four types: gravity dam, embankment dam or earthen dam, buttress dam and arch dam. So depending on the material used, these dams are classified. So the material used, maybe natural material like soil, clay, sand, gravel. Or in gravity dam, the concrete is used. It will consist of masonry structure or concrete structure. See the image. You can see here the soil or clay, sand, gravel, which dam. This is the downstream face, the upstream face. The large area which is covered with water, that side is upstream side. This is the downstream side. Gates are provided downstream of the dam. Another difference between all the types of the dams. Any difficulty in this? Can ask any difficulty in the chat box. The last one is composite dams. Composite dams are the combination which is composed of one or more types of dams. In this, it is composed of is constructed of two or more structures, not more dam structures. It may be combination of earthen dam or gravity dam. Most often, large section of the dam will be either embankment or gravity dam. For large section of the dam, the combination is used is the combination of earthen dam or gravity dam. Therefore, it is called combination of these two. Therefore, it is called composite dam. So, the section of responsible for power generation purpose for the objective of generation of the electricity or generation purpose. This combination will be used buttress dam or arch dam. Combination of according to the function, the objectives of construction of the dams, this combination may be used. It may be either embankment or gravity dam, or it may be either buttress dam or arch dam. The complete dam is shown in this image. The combination of arch dam and buttress dam. This is the upstream face of the dam, the downstream face. The combination of one or more dams, which is formed, it is called composite dams. So depending upon the function, the objective, necessity of the construction, these composite dams are constructed. Similar types of dam. Any difficulty in this? This is a gravity dam. This is of concrete or masonry structure. Large dam is of in R shape. to displace the load of water on the downstream phase in buttress dams in which multiple reinforced columns are provided to support the dam structure. Just relatively thin structure to support a dam wall. The buttress dam is the image. The embankment dam is in which natural materials are used like clay, sand, gravel, aggregates, etc. In which impervious core is provided at the middle of the dam. Repair is provided on upstream face to control the erosion. And composite dams. The composite dams which are constructed with the combination of one or more dam structure like embankment or gravity dam or maybe of buttress or arch dam depending upon the objective of construction necessity of construction. This the type of dam is selected. So, depending upon the objectives of the construction, the type of the dam is selected. So up to this, we have seen the definition of dam, objectives of the dam, then history of the dam, the table which shows the highest dam and longest dam in India, and the types of dams based on the design of construction, material used for the construction, and size of the construction. Next lecture we'll see the different criteria for consideration for the dam site selection or different factors which are responsible for selecting the dam site. That we'll see in next lecture. Everyone give attendance. Mother Corona, any problem in this? Everyone give attendance. First A division. One.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3. 3 number. 4. First give A division. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Present, sir.
10, 11, 12, 13.
Present, sir.
11 का?
12.
11.
12. Bhagyashree Bhong.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22, 23, 24,
Present, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir.
23, 24 present,
24, sir.
25,
Present.
26, 26, 27,
Present, sir.
28, 29,
Present.
29. Is there 29? 30, 31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Present, sir.
34, 35, 36, 37,
Present, sir.
38, 39, 40, 41,
Present.
42, 43, 44,
43.
44,
43.
okay,
40,
44,
sir.
48,
40, sir.
okay, 40, 44 आहे का? 45, 46,
Present, sir.
45 आहे का?
Present.
46,
Present.
47, 48, 49 आहे का? 49,
Present, sir.
50,
Yes, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52, 53, 54,
53, sir.
54, 55,
Present, sir. 55.
56,
Present, sir.
57, 58,
Present. Yes, sir.
58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
the number 65,
65.
66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 10 कितने A division? A division 10,
69.
okay, 16. Next B division, with attendance 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4, 5,
Sir, 2 present.
2 present, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Present, sir. Present, sir. 7 present.
8,
8 present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10, 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir. 10, sir. B12.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, 16, 17,
Present, sir.
18, 19, 20, 21, 20 आहे का? 20 is there? 21, 22, 23,
Present.
21, 23,
Present, sir.
24,
22.
okay,
23 present.
24, 25,
25 present.
26,
Present.
27,
26 present.
27, okay, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
33 present. 33, sir.
Okay. 34, 35, 36, 37,
Present. 36. Present.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
41.
42,
Present.
43, 44, 45, 46,